I use Top Cat Urban Explorer. Come across this old abandoned church chapel. Looks interesting. Gonna see if there's a way in. With complex urbex, diabetes 46. See you in a minute. We have found a way in. Before we go in, I just wanted for you to see this. Looks like it started work here. All you can see is gravestones just piled on top of each other. Wrecked the churchyard. Oh god. We're now inside. Awesome. Look at that organ. This concludes my internal visit. This is where he would have stood, see his whole congregation. this concludes my trip to the chapel. Interested inside. Did notice all the gravestones just piled on top of each other. They cleared the graveyard now. That's the main church itself, or chapel. To the right, that shed there is actually a toilet. Anyway, we're off to our next location, so like and subscribe. Top Cat Urban Explorer and Complex Urbex. See you later.